He will be able to win come 2028 if the exchange rate, which they carried from 4 cedis to the dollar to 17 cedis, is exceeded to, let's say, 25 to 30 cedis per dollar. Then people will start calling for him to come back. He can win if the impunity, the arrogance, the pomposity of the Akufo-Addo era is surpassed.
NPP delegates, you can't go for my Jimmy Pie, NPP delegates, Maka. Jimmy, I'm for the quad. Now, would you be a quack when the person was in power? Ofi 50 plus, about 38. When he was in power, Olusu Poto, Elusu seats over 100 seats, MNDC. Now, go to a man was saying, Papa, no matter what the same person, and one Jimmy sa. Hello, baby, I'll be having check a cinema. Vazin ebay. NPP, Omakron primary say choose Bawumia. Aye. Dala me who NPP delegates go for my Jimmy say that. I said when we say message be na modeba. As if say minim nieba. Go message be anyhow. Crontine of Asuom wakasa. Hey, or here like kasa. You could see them, but I have by to us.
Dr. Bawumia is nothing but a perpetuation of the Akufo-Addoization of the NPP and the presidency. Let me repeat if I went too fast. Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia is just a perpetuation of the Akufo-Addoization of the NPP and the presidency. You asked me if he will be able to win in 2028. And I say yes. He will be able to win come 2028 if the exchange rate, which they carried from 4 cedis to the dollar to 17 cedis, is exceeded to, let's say, 25 to 30 cedis per dollar. Then people will start calling for him to come back. He can win if the interest rate, which was 40%, and it's now 16%, goes above that 40% to, like, let's say 50 to 60%, then they will say, oh, okay, NDC is not performing well, and so let's give Dr. Bawumia the opportunity. He can win if the debt to GDP ratio, which they left at 93%, is exceeded. He can win if the impunity, the arrogance, the pomposity of the Akufo-Addo era is surpassed. Yes, he can win. He can win if the looting, the thievery, the corruption, the mismanagement is exceeded. That $97 million is thrown into a hole somewhere. That $31 billion is siphoned out of the country into accounts overseas in the guise of imports. That 1.4 billion criminal enterprise. That 11.9 million Pualugu Dam scam, in which he himself has his name mentioned. And whilst all these monies were boomeranged into the Ejapa phenomenon, so that they could have enough money sitting somewhere for the future of their descendants. Kolebu dialysis department needed just 4 million Ghana cedis. And they pretended they didn't have money. And so 19 people had to die needlessly Such wicked people. A lot of pensioners had to lose their lives. When all this looting, all this corruption, all this is exceeded, then you can tell me that Bawumia has a chance to win, and he will win.
Nana Piao, Nana, one NPP delegates, you can't go for my Jimmy Pie, NPP delegates, Maka. Jimmy, I'm for the qua. You can't delegate on my Jimmy Pie, NPP delegates. Me to 7. Opa Kanyabeka. Omo my Jimmy Pie. Ah, now would you be a quack when the person was in power? Ofi 50 plus, about 38. When he was in power, Olusu Poto, Olusu seats over 100 seats, MNDC. Namu koto abana mo say ni papa no masa kwoyi the same person no and mo Jimmy sa. Menya mo time afa na ma menya mo time. Me say like get mo Jimmy sa. Because on me be message ben na Bawumia eba be ka kire me na makoto aba ama Bawumia. Message ben economy. Your friend be your strength. Baby our one wo. Yewa Bawumia, he's known for one thing. Economy. Na economy now he is known for now. Ni e for so a wizard ame ya to man na me bo say no. Within 8 years no what Ghana pansama Ghana you do giant status. And this small boy at forcing. Wa be peja Ghana e dey akọ -B. And then don't like to see the 10 cities. 4 or 9 cities. So, what message is Bawumia going to give me for me to vote for him? Come into Aba. It's a few way a better more than what we experienced 2024. When they met me betting you 24%. Because only be Bawumia does not have a message to give to Ghanaians. What message? What message does he have? 18 delegates in the what Jimmy who said Papa only message we are. I know Papa can also say and your mama pay that dollar and do 25. Now inflation skyrocketing call every assistant. Because Bawumia time Ekoya could do 54. Dollar cost 17. Fuel it me cost 23. I mean, are you understanding the dynamics? Oh, come into election and you go with your best foot forward. Now when there and I papa no way ya to chen makofa and 99 nya no na mo dey call ahono. Enti a boat to a bon 99 nya na and one no. Then we because it does not make sense. They know me titinu na me says na delegates mo Jimmy sa mo nya discerning. Because mo nya discerning na ka mo be wo say nipa na mo dey ne kwa akono mo be we mo be ore mo we first class sika na mko gigi ya wo mo ko gigi sika na mko vote ma yera Bawumia. He doesn't have message and Osha Bawumia style ne kwa he can't even rule Ghana. Because Ghana no the way a baby do no ye ne bio. And then Bawumia message or ya ne say my people oba for the party and yes our president me here. And then Bawumia say me ba me fa 70% of sankwasi asem na Akufo-Addo beye na security services no nkosom dem no mo fa and no be na Bawumia person de ba and you want me to vote for Yera Bawumia? Am I stupid? Brana make asem chen ni ebe ma Ghana ho atowa you are thinking about your NPP party. Such a man, he wants rule. Look at where John Mahama is taking Ghana to, and you are coming to say, oh, you come to look out for your members of your party. You are a mad person. And people voted for him. Me de smaka. No in the kind 24%. Move on to war and not Yera Bawumia Zobenya. MPP mu sit no e be hwe na ba 63. Sasa na mo pe. Eno na menya. I Xposed GHFM Bamboo so share. Me too man answer ka be manuals.